Last month, astronomers picked up a repeating radio signal from deep space, but this time the signal responded. And then it started copying a human voice. What you're about to hear is a reconstruction based on real recorded data. For the first time in history, something in deep space responded directly to a human transmission. At first, it sounded like random static, but within hours, the signal changed, and what came through terrified every scientist who heard it. It started at 2:14 a.m. at a remote observatory in northern Chile. A technician monitoring the spectrum noticed a repeating pattern every 11 seconds. Too precise for a natural source, too structured for noise. At first, they assumed interference, maybe a satellite or a glitch. But then the signal shifted. It compressed, expanded, and formed something that looked like intentional modulation. A pulse, then a second, then 3 in a row, a sequence matching prime numbers. That's when they contacted SETI. Within hours, 3 other observatories confirmed the same pattern. Whatever it was coming from far outside our solar system. The team decided to send a reply, a simple binary message. "Hello, we hear you." The transmission lasted 7 minutes. Then they waited. Nobody expected anything to happen. Any reply from deep space should have taken years to return. But 5 hours later, the incoming signal changed. It mirrored the exact same binary pattern humans had sent, but altered, as if it tried to imitate the message without fully understanding it. Scientists froze. Then the signal shifted again, and suddenly, through the static, came something no one was prepared for. A human voice, faint, distorted, stretched, as if someone whispered through a storm. The voice said, "Do not look." Then silence. Chaos erupted across the observatories. A human voice from deep space was impossible by every known law of physics. Then came the second anomaly. The origin of the signal wasn't stable. It was moving, accelerating, across the sky in a way no natural object could. One scientist noticed something terrifying. The movement wasn't random. It was tracing the exact shape of our solar system, as if mapping it, scanning it, focusing on something. Hours later, they realized what that something was. The trajectory lined up perfectly with Earth. At 4:23 a.m., the signal returned stronger than before. The voice was clearer now, still broken, still layered with static, but unmistakably human. It said, "We tried. We warned. Do not answer. It is coming." Scientists attempted to respond, but the moment they transmitted another message, the space signal dropped to complete silence. No pulses, no patterns, just emptiness. Except for one final burst, a fragment of a spectrogram. When analyzed, the shape revealed something chilling. A rough outline of a human face, not smiling, not neutral, screaming. Since that night, the signal has not returned, but astronomers around the world are still monitoring the sky, because whatever responded heard us, understood us, imitated us, and it's still out there, moving closer.